Well, here we have Olivette's puppies, and they are 6 weeks old today. Look at this little lineup. Oh my goodness. We've got little Rena just walked away. And we've got Rizzo here on the right. And
Hannah in here with you.
Raza. I'm doing this from memory because I left my list at the vet's office today. Rex with all the spots on his back. And little Rippa, which is the little girl with the half dark face, half white face. Hannah, you're in the way. Come on. Come over here, Hannah. Your tail's in the way. That's little Rizzo jumping, getting excited because he sees Hannah. It's not your mommy. Your mommy's much smaller. Yeah. Puppies. You don't just sit there. Yeah. We went to the vet today and everybody is healthy. They got lots of oohs and ahs because they're so cute. And they said usually all they see in there are doodles. So it's kind of fun to see something besides a doodle. Yeah, Cotons are unique. Well, come on, babies. Let's do some playing. Rippa's gonna just lay there, take a nap, I guess. Oh, jeez. You guys, come on. I turned the camera on and you all decide to go to sleep? No. No, we're not gonna sleep. We're not gonna sleep. Come on. Come on. Hey. Hey, you. Oh, Rizzo, you're in a playful mood tonight, aren't you? Yeah. Look at that little belly. Look at that little belly. Little peanuts. Yes, little peanuts. Little bitty things. Yes, I trimmed their nails tonight and trimmed the hair that's covering over their eyes so we could get decent pictures, huh? Yes, we want to see your beautiful eyes, not just hair. Yeah. Rizzo and Rex and Rena, Raza and Rippa. Yeah. Hello. 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 They're a little weepy-eyed right now. That's very normal when they're teething. They get kind of weepy and then that stops once their teeth are in. And then it clears up. You're just going to look at me? Huh? You're just going to sit there and look at me? Okay, well, I guess there you have Olivette's beautiful babies, 6 weeks old.